We are providing online one-to-one PTE coaching with authentic practice materials. After enrolling our PTE courses, you will get next material updates for next 6 months. For more information, WhatsApp us on given numbers.
Cultural diversity makes societies more vibrant and dynamic. Cultural diversity makes societies more vibrant and dynamic. Governments should take steps to reduce unemployment rates. Governments should take steps to reduce unemployment rates. Healthy food habits contribute to better physical and mental well-being. Healthy food habits contribute to better physical and mental well-being. The media plays an important role in shaping public opinion. The media plays an important role in shaping public opinion. Teamwork is essential for success in most professional environments. Teamwork is essential for success in most professional environments. Online shopping offers convenience but also poses security risks. Online shopping offers convenience but also poses security risks. Time management is a valuable skill in today's fast-paced world. Time management is a valuable skill in today's fast-paced world. Tourism contributes significantly to the economy of many countries. Tourism contributes significantly to the economy of many countries. Urbanization has led to the growth of modern cities. Urbanization has led to the growth of modern cities. Music is a universal language that connects people emotionally. Music is a universal language that connects people emotionally. Recycling helps reduce waste and protect natural resources. Recycling helps reduce waste and protect natural resources. Technology has made learning more interactive and engaging. Technology has made learning more interactive and engaging. The quality of education determines the progress of a nation. The quality of education determines the progress of a nation. Maintaining a work-life balance is crucial for mental health. Maintaining a work-life balance is crucial for mental health. Globalization has made the world more interconnected. Globalization has made the world more interconnected. Many young people aspire to start their own businesses. Many young people aspire to start their own businesses. Digital literacy is becoming an essential skill in the workplace. Digital literacy is becoming an essential skill in the workplace. Libraries are important places for knowledge and research. Libraries are important places for knowledge and research. Good communication skills are vital for career advancement. Good communication skills are vital for career advancement. Sports teach discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Sports teach discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Volunteering helps individuals contribute to their communities. Volunteering helps individuals contribute to their communities. The film industry reflects cultural and social values. The film industry reflects cultural and social values. Education systems should focus more on creativity and innovation. Education systems should focus more on creativity and innovation. The demand for online education is rapidly increasing. The demand for online education is rapidly increasing. Mental health awareness is growing in many societies. Mental health awareness is growing in many societies. E-books are becoming popular alternatives to printed books. E-books are becoming popular alternatives to printed books. People are becoming more conscious about environmental issues. People are becoming more conscious about environmental issues. Proper sleep is necessary for overall well-being. Proper sleep is necessary for overall well-being. Scientific research leads to discoveries that improve human life. Scientific research leads to discoveries that improve human life. Gender equality is essential for a fair and just society. Gender equality is essential for a fair and just society.